how to use an animated picture on Discord. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can simply go on to your Discord and use an animated profile picture without Nitro. First of all, what you're going to do is go into your Play Store and make sure that your Discord application is updated, and if it's not, just do it because the new features won't be available on the previous versions of the Discord. So once you have updated your Discord, go into your Discord application or Google Chrome and look for easygif.com, and once you get there, there it is. You can almost do it video to GIF or to GIF maker. You can select anyone. Once you have selected that, it tells you to upload images. So to do that, you have to simply get a picture that is a GIF already. Go into the Google and look out for the GIFs. If you find any, just select it, download the image. Once it has been downloaded, go back to the GIF maker, choose the file, go into your files and choose this one. Once it has been chosen, just tap on upload and make a GIF or GIF. So it tells you that it is doing it. Simply make it the crossfade frames and make a GIF. Now it is making a GIF and you see that it has been made, convert to video, and the GIF has been converted to video, and you can simply download it. So once you download it, you simply have to go into your Discord. Once you get into your Discord, go into your profile, that is by tapping at the right bottom corner or going into this place. Once you tap on the right bottom corner, go into your user profile. Once you get there, this page arrives. Go into your profile picture where this pencil icon is there. Once tap on it and upload avatar. In the avatar, go into your respective directory, gallery, or any folder you have that image in. So get into it. Downloads, you can find any of the, I have those in files. So this is how you upload an animated video or picture on GIF or Discord without using Nitro. If you have any question or query, just comment down below. I would love to answer that. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe the channel. Till next time, peace.